according to a 2018 national survey, over 20 million people in the United States suffer from substance use disorder. Addiction is a huge problem in the United States, and it affects not only those who suffer from it, but also their family and friends. It is also estimated that drug addiction costs society over $700 billion annually. Between loss of productivity in the workplace, you've got crime costs, as well as healthcare expenses. And so this is a huge problem, and it is also a really big market that has the potential to be very lucrative. So vibroacoustic technology uses low frequency noise to send signals to your brain and get a biological response. And so vibroacoustic therapy has been used to help people who suffer from anxiety and depression. And there are recent studies that show that the same technology can help people suffering from drug addiction. Unfortunately, this treatment is only available by visiting an actual therapist's office where they have large vibroacoustic beds that aren't very functional. So the purpose of this company would be to produce a mobile vibroacoustic therapy device, something that can be easily wearable in the home or in public to help those who are struggling with drug addiction or all kinds of addictions. And this would use bone conduction technology in order to help solve this issue and help the lives of many people around the world. Thank you.